We're here at Collegetown Court to take a look at the 4-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment number 206. Let's go on in. We're at the back corner of the building, so we've come up to the second floor. We'll go in. We're passing by the bathroom. We'll come see that at the end. Let's look at the living room and kitchen first, and then the bedrooms. As we go in, we'll go around the corner, and the kitchen is right over here. So let's take a look. We've got the refrigerator, the dishwasher, the microwave, the sink, the stove and oven, and we've got some great cabinet space and some drawers in here. Let's look around to the living room space. You can see we have the dining table and chairs. Here's the sofa, the 3-person seating. There's a table here. We've got another chair, another table. You can see the air conditioner over in the living room window. So that's a window unit here in the living room. And these apartments do come with a TV. And we are at the back corner of the building, so we're tucked around some other buildings here in the Collegetown neighborhood. So we're away from the street, which does typically give it a quieter atmosphere. All right, let's check out the bedrooms. There are 4 bedrooms in this apartment. They all are slightly different. The first 2 are the same size. We'll go into room 1. The bedrooms will always have the full-size bed, dresser, a desk and chair, and a bookshelf and a closet. They all have individual locks. Back here behind us, out the window a little bit. So room 1 has 1 bedroom. Room 2 will be the corner bedroom, and that one will be the same size as room 1. Let's go into room 2 over here. However, you get a second window because we're on the corner of the building. So you can see some furnishings again. So corner of the building, so we do get that second window. So it is nice and bright. The windows are facing north and to the west. And again, buildings, because we're right here in the back of the Collegetown Court building, so tucked into central Collegetown. So we'll go back through the living room. We'll pass through over into room 3. Room 3 is different because it is a more square shape. That's unusual. We normally will have rectangular shaped rooms. Room 3 is a square. So let's go on in, and you can see it's sort of a different floor feel layout, so you can see a little more floor space in there. So again, the furnishings, full-size beds, and again, tucked into the side of the building. So buildings around here in central Collegetown. Let's go into room 4. That is the largest of the bedrooms here in the apartment. So this one we can go in. You can see it's a little different because we'll go in and look at this. We're going around a corner into the bedroom space. So here's room 4, so you can tell it's a bit longer of a bedroom. And you can see same window view as we saw in the previous room, room 3. I want to show you this closet here. This one in number 206 is a little different. It's got a higher up bottom to it. So that is room 4. Let's go pass by the bathroom. Okay, so that was the door we went by from the entrance. The red door is the one door we came in. This bathroom, the number 06 bathroom, is the largest of the bathrooms that we have here in Collegetown Court. So you can see it's a lot bigger. We've got a lot of great counter space in there. So it's a full-size tub shower. We've got the vanity, the toilet, the long counter space over there. So that's a look at the bathroom. So this number 06 apartment we have on floors 2, 3, 4, and 5 here in Collegetown Court. This building is located at 208 Dryden Road. We are in the heart of Collegetown, just up the street from the main intersection of Collegetown at Dryden Road and College Ave at Collegetown Court, right in the center of Collegetown.